Okay guys, today we're going to discuss about one problem of JEE Mains 2020 asked in the recent year. Okay, so therefore what are you going to do here in this problem? He is asking you to find out the ratio of de Broglie wavelength and wavelength of a photon. How are you going to find out this one? De Broglie wavelength. Okay, so first of all, let us find out what do you mean by this de Broglie wavelength. De Broglie wavelength. For this you are just doing one thing. You are writing Planck's constant, the Planck's equation first of all. That is E is equal to h nu. And you know C is equal to nu into lambda, just like V is equal to n lambda. This is frequency of light ray. This is frequency of sound here. In light we use this formula. In sound we use this formula here. Therefore from this you'll get mu is equal to C by lambda. Therefore, you write nu as C by lambda. This is equation number 1. This is explained by Planck. What is explained by Einstein? Einstein says that E is equal to mc square. These two formulas are given by different scientists. Let us make them equal. hc by lambda is equal to mc square. So mc square, here c and c gets cancelled. Then lambda is equal to h by mc. This can also be written as h by p because p means m into v r. It can also be taken as m into c, where v is velocity. Here velocity of light is taken as a c. Therefore, we got lambda is equal to h by p. But you know, energy, if it is kinetic energy, it can be taken as half mv square. Multiply with m and m. You will get m square v square by 2m, which can be taken as p square by 2m. From this it is understood that P is equal to under root of 2me. Therefore, we can write this, the first wavelength which is explained by de Broglie can be considered as h by root of 2me. This is equation number 1. Okay, so according to the next point which is asked here is, what is the wavelength of photon? So for photon you can consider this equation directly. So from that equation you can write lambda 2 is equal to hc by E, because E is equal to hc by lambda. So lambda is equal to hc by E. This is equation number 2. Okay, so this is 1 and 2. So he is asking us to find out the ratio of this 1 and 2. How are you going to find out the ratio of these 1 and 2? It's very simple. You have to just write here lambda 1 by lambda 2 is equal to, here h by under root of 2me into E by hc. Then what are you going to do? HH gets cancelled. Lambda 1 by lambda 2. You can take this 1 by c here and you can just send this E inside. It will become E square by 2me. EE gets cancelled and hence the final equation is, this is 1 by c E by 2m. 1 by c E by 2m. Therefore, the formula which is correct option here is the first one, which is 1 by c E by 2m whole power of 1 by 2, which I have written here, root of E by 2m. So this was a recent question. We have solved this problem in just 3 minutes. Thank you very much.